Test flights at USMC Twentynine Palms showcase SKYFIELD AI control system, extended BVLOS range, and next-gen capabilities for contested environments. By DroneLife staff writer Ian J. McNabb, California-based drone developer Mayman Aerospace recently announced that their RAZOR P100 drone had completed a recent series of test flights to demonstrate its autonomous flight capabilities. The P100 is the first commercial aircraft in the company's line of autonomous UAVs. The test program, conducted at the U.S. Marine Corps Air Ground Combat Center located at Twentynine Palms, CA, was the culmination of 18 months of engineering, successfully demonstrating untethered autonomous flight. The tests also demonstrated SKYFIELD, the company's advanced AI-driven autonomous flight control system. Mayman claims SKYFIELD will enable numerous RAZOR aircraft to adapt and navigate complex environments without human intervention. These flights represent the culmination of extraordinary engineering expertise and relentless dedication from our team, said David Mayman, founder and CEO at Mayman Aerospace. What we've accomplished positions us at the vanguard of autonomous VTOL flight technology. There is simply nothing comparable to the RAZOR family of aircraft available in today's market. And these successful tests validate our innovative approach to solving complex challenges in this domain. In addition to the P100's trials, the program also featured the first extended range flight of the RAZOR TBX. This fully autonomous beyond visual line of sight BVLOS operation, which included a 50 pounds payload, marked the 26th flight for the TBX platform, which continues to serve as both a reliable workhorse and an invaluable testbed for ongoing research and development initiatives. I couldn't be more proud of the team's accomplishments, remarked Company Chief of Staff Daniel Fox. The warfighter has been waiting for a solution that combines the versatility, autonomy, and reliability that RAZOR delivers. The success of these test flights demonstrates not only our technical capabilities, but also our understanding of what operators truly need in the field. From an engineering perspective, what we've achieved in just 18 months is extraordinary, explained Dr. Mana Sharma, the company's chief engineer. Our team has overcome significant technical challenges to develop flight control systems that enable unprecedented levels of autonomy and precision. The speed of our progress speaks to both the talent of our engineers and the effectiveness of our approach towards development. These achievements are setting the foundation for SKYFIELD, which will push the boundaries even further. According to Mayman, SKYFIELD will transform onboard single aircraft control into an autonomous AI-driven mission management system. It will enable seamless swarming, integrated with battle management systems BMS, offering commanders a unified airborne capability. Deploying a robust and secure zero-trust mesh architecture, SKYFIELD will enable flawless operation in GPS-denied and heavily contested electronic warfare environments. Mayman Aerospace's next steps will include a focus on expanding the operational envelope of both the P100 and TBX platforms, with particular emphasis on enhancing payload capabilities, extending flight range, and refining the SKYFIELD autonomous decision-making algorithms that set RAZOR apart from conventional UAS systems.